Good afternoon. Today our topic is Maths 1, Algebra, chapter number 2, Quadratic Equations. Last year we have seen the concept of the polynomials. What is meant by the polynomials? See here, poly means many, nomials means parts or terms. That means when there are many terms, then it is called as the polynomials. Last year we divide the polynomials into three parts: monomials, binomials and trinomials. What is meant by the monomials? See here, mono means one. When there is only one term, then it is called as the monomials. For example, 2x square. Here how many terms are there? Only one. There is multiplication between 2 and x. That means this is only a one term. So it is a monomial. See the second example, 4y square. Here also there is only one term. So it is called as the monomials. Okay. Now see the second, binomials. Here bi means 2 when there are two terms. See the example, 2x square plus 2x. How many terms are there? Yes, there are two terms. This is the first term and this one is the second term. So it is the binomials. See the second example, 4y cube plus 3. Here also there are two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. So it is called the binomials. Third one is the trinomials. शब्दामध्येच अर्थ लक्षात येतोय आपल्याला. ट्राय मीन्स 3. व्हेन देर आर 3 टर्म्स देन इट इज अ ट्रायनॉमियल्स. ओके, सी द एक्झाम्पल. फर्स्ट, 2x square plus 3x plus 5. How many terms are there? This is the first term, this is the second term and this is the third term. There are 3 terms, so it is the trinomials. See second example, 4y cube plus 2x plus 5. Here also there is a first term, second term, third term. There are total 3 terms. So it is called the trinomials. These all we have learned in the previous year. Okay. Now in this year these polynomials are also classified according to their degree. Degree नुसार polynomials classify केले जातात. There are 2 types. First one is the linear polynomial and second one is the quadratic polynomials. Now what is meant by the linear polynomials? See one example, 2x. Here 2 is the coefficient and x is the variable. And what is the degree of the variable x? Degree means it is also called as the index or power. x चा इंडेक्स इथं काहीच नाही आहे म्हणजे किती येतो 1. दॅट मीन्स व्हेन देर इज डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनॉमियल इज 1 इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द लिनियर पॉलिनॉमियल. जेव्हा 1 डिग्री असते तेव्हा तिला लिनियर पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणतात. वी सी द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, 3x minus 7. Here also 3 is the coefficient and x is the variable. What is the degree of the variable x? इथं काहीच नाही आहे म्हणजे किती आहे 1. सो इफ द डिग्री इज 1 देन इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द लिनियर पॉलिनॉमियल. ओके, नाउ सी द सेकंड टाइप, that is the quadratic polynomials. For example, 3x square. 3 is the coefficient, x is the variable. What is the degree of the variable x? That is 2. डिग्री म्हणजेच इंडेक्स. जेव्हा 2 हा इंडेक्स असेल, 2 ही पॉवर असेल, देन इट इज कॉल्ड द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. व्हेन द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल इज 2 इट इज कॉल्ड द क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल्स. वी सी द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, x square plus 3x minus 5. Here x is the variable and what is the degree? Here 2 and here degree is 1, maximum degree is 2. So it is called as the quadratic polynomials. Okay. Now when the quadratic equation is equated to 0, then it is called as the quadratic equation. Our chapter name is quadratic equation. आता quadratic equation म्हणजे काय? We see the definition. The equation involving one variable. किती व्हेरिएबल हवे? Only one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable. त्याचा त्या इक्वेशनमध्ये इंडेक्स डिग्री ही 2 असेल, then it is called the quadratic equation. लक्षात घ्या, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनमध्ये व्हेरिएबल इन द होल इक्वेशन व्हेरिएबल मस्ट बी 1 अँड मॅक्झिमम पॉवर मॅक्झिमम डिग्री ही 2 असेल, देन इट इज कॉल्ड द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. इन द बोर्ड एक्झाम 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड, राईट द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. 1 मार्कासाठी हा क्वेश्चन बोर्डात नेहमी विचारतात, जनरल फॉर्म लिहा. देन व्हॉट इज द जनरल फॉर्म? x² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. हे लक्षात ठेवायचे, पाठ करून टाका मुलांनी. जनरल फॉर्म काय येणार आहे त्याचा? ax² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. हियर a, b, c these are the real numbers and another condition is a is not equal to 0. a never be 0. a ही टर्म कधीही 0 नको. समजा आय हॅव राईट 0 ॲज एची किंमत मी जर 0 घेतलं तर 0 इंटू x² किती येणार? 0. दॅट मीन्स धिस टर्म विल बी कॅन्सल. अँड व्हॉट इज द इक्वेशन रिमेन? दॅट इज bx प्लस c. इज दॅट अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन? नो. व्हॉट इज द कंडिशन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन? इंडेक्स किती हवे? 2. then that will not be the quadratic equation. That means remember 3 points. First, variable must be 1. एकच व्हेरिएबल हवे. इंडेक्स that is degree must be 2. and third condition, a is not equal to 0. then the given equation is the quadratic equation. Variable 1, index 2 and a is not equal to 0. Then it is called as the quadratic equation. Now see the examples of the quadratic equation. First equation, x² plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. इक्वेशन बघितल्याबरोबर आपल्या लक्षात आलं पाहिजे, how many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. x is the only one variable and the maximum degree of the equation of the variable of the equation is, यामध्ये व्हेरिएबलचा इंडेक्स 2 आहे, इथं 1 आहे. मॅक्झिमम इंडेक्स किती येतं आहे? 2 येतं आहे. सो इट इज कॉल्ड द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. अँड a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. a किती आहे? काहीच नाही म्हणजे 1. देन इट इज obey the conditions of the quadratic equation, so it is a quadratic equation. We see the second example, y² plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. See here, how many variables? Only one, that is y. y is the variable in a whole the equation. And what is the degree of the variable? Maximum degree, that is 2. a is not equal to 0. सो इट इज अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. ओके. परीक्षेला 1 मार्कासाठी बोर्डाला हा प्रश्न विचारतात, डिसाइड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. किंवा एक इक्वेशन देतील अँड इज दॅट अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन असा 1 मार्क्ससाठी क्वेश्चन विचारतात. लेट सी. फर्स्ट, 3x² minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. See here, how many variables? Only one variable is there. And what is the degree of the polynomial? Sorry, what is the degree of the equation? Maximum degree, that is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Then how to write in the exam? See, first write the given equation as it is. जसंच्या तसं दिलेलं इक्वेशन पहिल्यांदा लिहायचं आहे. 3x² minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Variable is x. So write here x is the only variable and maximum index किती आहे 2 and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. In this way you have to write in the exam. Okay, now see the second example. M cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here which is the variable? That is m. And degree, see here, degree of the variable m is 3 and here degree of the variable m is 2. That means maximum degree is 3. हे कंडिशन ओबे करते का? तर नाही. आपल्याला किती हवे? 2 as the maximum degree. That means it is not the quadratic equation. Then how to write? Write here. First write given equation as it is. M cube minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. M is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is not 2. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. In this way you have to write in the exam. Okay, let's see the third example. Y square is equal to 5y minus 10. Now see here, the equation is not in the general form. जेव्हा इक्वेशन जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये नसेल तर पहिले कन्वर्ट द गिवन इक्वेशन इनटू द जनरल फॉर्म. देअरफॉर y स्क्वेअर 5y राईटला लेफ्टला येताना काय होणार? मायनस 5y मायनस 10 लेफ्टला येताना प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू 0. Now compare the equation. Variable is only one, y, index is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Then write y is the only variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. अशा प्रकारे 1 मार्कासाठी हा क्वेश्चन परीक्षेला विचारला जातो. ओके.